Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about x equal to 4 tan t, because if we put 4 tan t go in here, you got about 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization, and you got about tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify with dx. So if we do first derivative for the both side, you got about dx equal to 4 secant of t square dt. So we put this one go in here and here. Dx we change for this one. So this one you got about 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t square. The square root of number 16 secant of t square, you got about 4 secant of t. We simplify 4 secant of t on numerator and denominator. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t, and tan t we change for sine t over cosine t. We simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. And this one, 1 divided sine t, you got about cosecant of t. The integral of this one, you got about negative 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and we put about c. About t, we need to return back to this one, and we need to divide both sides of number 4. And we got about t equal to arctan of s over 4. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.